the heart of electronic devices, there is a connection solution that has been passed down for half a century: D-sub connector. 2 series, DB Classic, HDB High Density. 6 core types to choose from. D-sub has a stable transmission rate. Gold contacts, armor shell, high waterproof, anti-oxidation, low loss, anti-vibration. High protection, IP67 protection level, corrosion resistance, temperature difference resistance. Join hands with Xingna Electronic Connectors to open a new era of efficient and intelligent connection.